My absolute favorite thing about button keyrings isn't how they hold all of my important keys in one convenient place. No, it's how I can customize them to show off my personality. And believe me, I have a lot of personality. That's why I have a lot of keyrings. They're perfect for displaying my geekiness, my love for dogs, my hate for cats, my favorite foods, and, oh, how rude of me. Let me get started showing you how to make your own button keyrings. First, place the front shell sharp side down into the shallow die of the button maker. Then add the picture or graphic that you want to use, followed by the clear plastic mylar on top of the shell. Then rotate the die so that it's underneath the upper die. Then here's where the magic happens. Pull the handle down and watch everything disappear. Wowza! Next, place the keyring with the sharp side up into the deeper die. Rotate the handle so it's under the upper die and pull the handle once again. Bam! The button maker crimps everything together. Amazing! Choose which keyring matches the personality of your button. And simply attach the keyring tab into the slot on the back of your button. Perfect. Super easy to assemble and they make great gifts. But this one's mine.